Hey guys, welcome to another short morning yoga stretch with Arrivé Yoga. In today's beautiful soft morning flow, I invite you guys to turn on this video directly after waking up. So this will be a soft guided full body yoga stretch that can be done in bed, and it will really help you get your day started off feeling refreshed and ready to take on whatever this beautiful day has to offer. So go ahead, find a comfortable spot on your bed or on your mat, and let's begin. Finding yourself onto your back, so imagining that you're really just waking up for the day. I'm going to make myself more horizontal so that you guys can see better. And just take a moment here. Really, the best way is to do this video when you've just woken up, before you start your day. Before you allow your brain to move forward and start thinking about things to do, take a step back. Check in with your body. Check in with how you're feeling today. Breathing in. Bring the soles of your feet together and just let the knees fall by the side. Bringing your hands, having the index fingers touch and the tips of your thumbs touch for a nice triangle or diamond shape. And then just go ahead and bring that to the lower belly. Relax the arms, relax the shoulders. Take a deep full body breath here. Bring a smile to your face. And just set the tone for your day with a mantra. A 2-word sentence or 2 words to describe how you want to feel throughout your day, how you want to move. You are the creator of your own life. You are the creator of your day. No matter what external circumstances or external activities, you decide how you handle them, how you view them, what perspective. Taking a deep breath here. Go ahead and slowly open the eyes, and then extend the legs out, arms above your head. Full body stretch here, maybe pushing the one foot down further and then the other to move the hips a little bit, reaching one arm further up and then the other. Taking a deep breath here, rotating the ankles, stretch and release the toes. And then we're going to go ahead and just lift both legs up towards the sky. Go ahead and bring the hands softly behind the legs and just relax your shoulders down. Rotating the ankles, flex and point the feet, squeeze and release the toes. Waking up for the day here. And go ahead and cross your right ankle over your left thigh and just grab behind here. With your right elbow, push that right knee away just a little bit. And you can just sway from side to side, flexing that right foot. Now I'm doing this stretch at the end of the day, so I've already had my yoga, I've already had a bit of a warm-up. So I'm a bit more flexible, but if you're doing this video during the morning, it's very common that you're feeling a bit tight. So if this is too much, you can go ahead and hold behind the left thigh. Observe the body. Relax the thigh here, relax the hip. And then go ahead and drop all legs over to the left, planting both shoulders into the ground. And if it feels good on your neck, go ahead and turn facing the right fingertips. And really just try to let gravity do the work here. Feel free to, with your left hand, push that right knee away just a little bit. Breathing in. Relaxing your jaw. Feel free to close the eyes here. Inhale, bring your gaze back to center And then go ahead with your left hand, grab the outside edge of your right leg, and then try to pull that right leg straight over to the left side. If, of course, you're not able to get it straight all the way, you can bring your left hand down the leg a little bit here, and then just release the leg down. Coming back to your breath. Bend that right knee, coming back to center. Hug both knees into the chest and just sway side to side a little bit here. And then when you're ready, cross it over to the other side. Left foot over right heel. Flex that left foot, breathing in here. And then treating each side differently. One side might be a bit more flexible than the other. So adjust yourself as you need on this side, either grabbing behind the thigh or the shin. And now we're not trying to push ourselves here. We're just trying to slowly connect with our body and slowly wake up and stretch and bring a bit of mobility so that we feel better as we move throughout the rest of our day here. Feel free to bring back that smile to your face. Relax the shoulders and the neck, breathing in. And then on the next exhale, drop everything over to the right, extend the left arm, and bring your gaze over towards that left arm. Take a moment to maybe allow 3 things you are grateful for to come to the surface. And just embrace that sensation of gratitude. How does that gratitude make you feel? Breathe into this loving energy. And then go ahead with your right hand, grab the outer edge of your left foot and extend it out to the side, either grabbing the foot or the leg. You should feel a nice deep stretch in that left outer hip, maybe in the lower back as well. And you're getting a nice little twist in the spine here. Breathing in. Exhale, bend it back. Go ahead and bring the knees into your chest. And then release that left leg straight down, pushing into the mat. And then go ahead and squeeze that right knee into your right shoulder. And if it's in your practice and your flexibility permits it comfortably this morning, go ahead and grab your right big toe with your 2-piece fingers. And then just drive that right knee into the right right shoulder. And then try to plant that left hip back into the ground so you're not leaning over to the right, but keeping your hips nice and squared, squeezing that left leg into the mattress or the yoga mat. Wherever you're doing this today, relax the shoulders down, breathing in. And if it feels good, take it to the next level and extend that right leg. Breathing in here. Exhale, bend it. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Inhale, straighten, release the toe. And we're going to switch, bring that right leg down, left knee. Either keeping the knee squeezed into the chest or grabbing your big toe with your 2 fingers. Breathing in here. Feel that nice stretch, and then inhale, straighten. Exhale, release, squeeze it down. Inhale, and exhale. A couple more rounds. Last round. Inhale, release, stretching both legs. Deep breath in here, and then we're going to slowly roll onto our side. And bring ourselves onto all fours, tabletop position. Breathing in here. And then just make this be a natural movement for you. So rotating the hips. You want to just bring some movement into the whole body here. Once you feel like you've got a good flow going, feel free to bring the shoulders, the elbows, the hips, the neck. Bringing fluidity and mobility into the whole body. Using this as a moment to bring awareness, bringing yourself into extended child's pose. Release the forehead down to the ground. And maybe you want to roll the forehead from side to side, getting a nice shoulder in the stretch. Getting a nice stretch in the shoulder. Come to center into stillness, breathing in here. Exhale, come back up. And then puppy pose, bring your hands forward, drop the chest down, bring chin to the ground. Let your chest become heavy. Inhale, navel into the spine, slowly push yourself back up. And we're going to do a few cat-cow rounds here, breathing in. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, back to center. Bring the big toes to touch, knees really wide apart. We're going to bring that left hand down underneath your gaze. Right hand reaches up, feel that stretch in that left inner thigh. Big breath in. And then exhale, go ahead and thread that right arm underneath the left. Breathing here. Push away from the ground with your left hand, nice twist. Exhale. Release, forehead down to the ground. And left hand back down, reaching right arm back up, breathing in. Exhale, switch, right hand down, left arm reaches up. Exhale, thread left arm underneath. Right hand pushes off the ground. Breathing in here. Notice if you're holding your breath and try to release the body, relax. Release the breath. Right hand down, coming back to center, left arm up to the sky, big breath. Exhale, release, and we're just going to do one little down dog because yoga, to me, isn't yoga without a nice little downward facing dog. Go ahead and just use this to really stretch the back of the legs, the back of the body, swaying the hips from side to side, bending the knees, coming onto the toes, dropping the chest down towards release the head. Inhale, roll your spine into plank, release the knees down, coming back to sit onto your heels. Take a moment here. Just gonna take a moment here. If you have a view outside your window, now's a good moment to just enjoy it. And if you don't, close your eyes. Just take a moment to notice how you're feeling. First time that we're sitting up. Beautiful day ahead, full of new opportunities. As cliche as that may sound, I think it's really, really nice sometimes to just remind ourselves that every day is a beautiful new day. It really is. You get to choose how your day goes, how you feel throughout your day, no matter what happens. And it all starts here in this moment. Loosening up the body, connecting with your mind, your body, Breathing in here, sitting up nice and tall, opening up that channel in the spine for energy to flow through. Left hand down towards the mattress or the ground, reaching right arm up to the sky. Exhale, release. Inhale, center. Left hand over. Inhale, back to center. Both arms reach up. And exhale. Hands together to chest. And I will turn over to you guys so I can thank you guys for practicing with me today. If you want to follow this class up with a nice 5 to 10 minute meditation, highly recommend it, just to take a moment to really start your day off on a positive note. Thank you so much for joining and waking up with me today. Namaste. Thanks, guys.